award na ito ay isang pagpupugay sa natatayang miyembro ng Alexandrite Batch 2003 na naglaan ng panahon upang magbahagi ng kabutihan sa bawat miyembro at sa lipunang kanyang ginagalawan. Siya ay walang iba kundi si Rafi Alcantara.
Kuya Rafi!
The ninth awardee has been chosen by our special board of judges.
In behalf of all the members of Alexandrite Batch 2003, we want to congratulate you and we hope that you will continue spreading goodwill to mankind. Thank you very much. Hindi, salamat. Tsaka sana yun nga, every year, hindi, masaya kasi ganito nagkakatuwaan tayo, nagkakasaya. Pero sana, every year, di ba, may natututunan tayo, and, knowledge yan, knowledge! Hindi, yun nga. Sorry. Yeah, habang as we become more older and younger at heart, mas maging mature din tayo. At saka, let's be more, sensible. Yan. Sa'yo po. So, thank you very much. Yeah. So,